Hi guys, naamin ni Loisa sa Dubai Mall. Kay mamalit mi og ay kami or ako og laptop.
Tayong lahat.
Mamalit mi og laptop guys.
Hopefully, na yung makita.
Inshallah makapalit mi. Na nakikitanaw-tanaw sa Sharaf DG. Pero amo pang i-check kay ang nakaingon dito exclusive offer online. So, among tanawon unsay pasabot. So, come with us to buy a laptop. Adulo. Wala pa may katunga guys. Almost there guys. We're here guys. First stop of the day. So guys, nanguta na mi bahin sa online exclusive offer. Third party seller dito ko nakitaan sa online. Tapos ang naa sa store is dili ko ganahan sa combination sa specs. Gina-upsell nila ilahang brand Acer Nitro na V15 pero dili na ko bet kay mao lang gihapon na akong gibay last time nagihatag na ko kay Shello. Gusto na po ko mag-try og other brand kay ngon si Shello boso. Ngayon si Shello ang Acer daw may problem sa screen. So, try na kong MSI. Kaya nakadungog ko before na nindot ko ang MSI na brand. So, mananaw miglain shop. So, guys, wala na ko naka-video. Pero ning-add to make other two shops. And nag-compare me sa same models. And ilang freebies. So, mag-decide sa ako. Habang ga-decide ko kay nagtanaw-tanaw sila isa og shoes. So, naami diri sa Salomon. I'll show you.
I will check in this.
Nice. Pero magayon ka ni sa baka di naman ka mamagkima nag-estetik mo sa ka magbukid.
Anay na niro na ingo man may.
Kapoy ko guys. Mura kong nag-board exam sa laptop akong gamiton. So mga to, padto namin sa final destination. After pila ka hours nag-decide 3 hours. Kaya nag-wait pa kong reply ni Kuya Ron ug ni Joshua. So, naka-decide na gyud ko. No regrets. Let's go. Yeah. We decided to get this unit in
Helios ni?
Oh, actually, mao yun yung pinaka-first. Naka-MSI lang ko kay tungod atong nakita na ko sa Shara. So, si Joshua may niingon. Pero mao na gid ni. Cute kay guys. It's a Barbie phone with the charm. Monday. It's so Barbie. Mao na lang yun yung icebreaker na ko sa all. Ano ba?
Dili straight yung space. Basig nagkuba ba? Awa oh. Ang mas mahal straight. Bantugra mas barato.
So guys, we're back home. And wala namin naka-video sa pag-buy kay there were a few stressful situations. But we're home and we will unbox the laptop we bought. So, naka-freebie me guys. It's a wireless mouse. The brand is Hama. And then, this is the laptop. Siya lang mag-lift. I cannot lift heavy items. I went with the Asus A15. So, this is my very, very first choice based on my own research and review sa mga content online. I was torn at first between this one or the MSI, but the units available for the MSI brands were not the ones I was looking for, and this was available and within the budget. So that's why I went with this one. So without further ado, let's unbox this one. So the box looks like this, guys. Maani ang front. The gaming laptop A15. This is the Asus TUF gaming series. Naa sa sides ang model details. Naa sa back side ang specifications. Wow, guys! So, i-imagine ako ni. Let's imagine it's a PR package. Well, PR package. Loisa will be my hands today because I am injured. Wow. Actually, Loki, excited ning isa. Tago-tago lang ni siya. Apil din ka sa video. Wow! It's black and it has a gorgeous design sa front. And ang likod niya is this beehive exhaust thingy cooler. So, i-open na to siya, guys. It will show you the contents of the box later. So, when you open it, it's this. Ta-da! This is a 15.6 inch screen. And it comes with this trackpad with 2 buttons and a number pad. Basta maoni siya. Akong i-on later, guys. So, pulihan na mo CVU. And then, inside the box, we have the warranty information. And then, this is, user guides. This one's Arabic. The other one is English. And then, ano siya? Wow! So, it's packaged like this. This is the charger, cable, and adapter. So, maura to, guys. Basically, that's it. I'll show you guys once it's powered up. So, first, we'll unbox the mouse. And then, the mouse freebie we got. We'll unbox it. Anyway, this is the box. It's wireless, so I'm happy about it. Okay, na-problema ko sa mouse. Okay. Wala lang. Gusto lang ko mouse. Peanut butter. So, inano siya, it's powered by AAA battery. So, na siya yung battery slot na itong Bluetooth nga antenna, something malit. Pero nani siya?
Hello, nice, good.
Nice siya in fairness. Like, enough siya sa kanya. Gusto lang yung kong mouse. I just want a new mouse. Yan. So, we'll set it up, guys, and then we'll show you on the table. So, now, guys, we've set it up. This is our computer table, by the way. So, anyway, mauni siya. And then, turning it on. Wow! Backlit ang keyboard. RGB. Very nice. So, guys, mauna ni siya. The final look. Completely set up
using a screen reader. Turn on narrator by pressing Windows plus Control plus Enter. For more accessibility features.
Maara to, guys. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna enjoy my laptop now.